So as y'all can see, I'm actually logged into my YouTube channel and I've been posting some videos today, and you can see we've gotten this issue, checks still running. And if we actually click on the video, we can see the issue is checks are taking longer than usual to complete but are still running. Now it has been a good 30 minutes, and if you wait even longer, it's probably not even going to complete. So what you want to do to complete this issue is you simply want to go to monetization, and you can actually turn on ad suitability as normal. And when you actually click on visibility like so, all you're going to want to do is, assuming it hasn't been just about 2 minutes since you've actually posted your video, it's actually had some time to process, you simply just want to click on the public option and click on published, and instead you just want to click on the publish option here. And when you click that, you can see the video is now public and the checks are still running. So the checks can still run while the video is actually public on your channel, and they will actually be completed in a few hours or a few minutes depending on how long they're actually going to take. But yeah, you basically just want to override the publish option on the public page, and as you can see, our video is actually now public like so, and that's how you can fix this simple issue.